My video tutorial will provide you with help to remove the new ransomware called Ursq. This is the ransomware that actually belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. Ursq is the name of this ransomware. It is called like that because it actually encrypts files and appends this Ursq extension to the file names, and as a consequence it is just impossible to use the files anymore. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea, so don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. What I recommend you to do is to disregard the ransom note as the ransomware drops it. Then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery, but paying the ransom is definitely not a good idea. Do not waste your money and do not pay the ransom. If you pay the ransom, that's a mistake. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner can be found on the website combocleaner.com. So go to this official website combocleaner.com, download the software, install the program, and once it is successfully installed, start investigating your system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to fully detect and eliminate this type of infection. The software will be initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So as you see, these are the results of the ransomware's attack. The ransomware appends this Ursq extension to the file names. To remove this ransomware, use Combo Cleaner. Initially, the software is in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of threats. After the antivirus database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to Premium. This way your data will always be protected in the future. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover your data.